Here's how to lace New Balance 740s in a standard style. Start by taking your lace, and what we're going to do is feed one of the lace ends through this little loop at the very bottom here. And you just want to pull that through and then take your two lace ends together and make sure they're of equal length before we carry on. Then I'm going to take this lace end on this side, and the very first eyelet here, we're going to take the lace end down into it from above, just like this, making sure there's no twists and just pulling it through slowly so it looks nice and crisp. Then swap to your other lace, and we're going to bring that lace end down into the very bottom eyelet on this side this time from above, and just pull that through and smooth out any little twists. Looking good. Then we're going to swap back to this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue, and this time we're going to bring it up through the second eyelet here from underneath. So just wiggle that through and make sure it's from underneath and there's no twists. And then we're going to swap to the other one, and we're going to do the exact same on this side. Second eyelet up from the bottom, bring the lace end up through it from underneath. Looking good. And then we're going to repeat that pattern by keeping hold of this lace first, bringing it over, and it'll be through this little loop this time instead of the eyelet. So just take a second to wiggle that lace end through, bring it through, and make sure there's no twists. And then the same with the other lace. Take it over, smooth it out, and wiggle it through this eyelet here. Until you have this. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no rush at all. Now we're going to continue on by starting with this lace, always this lace first, and we're going to feed it through the tongue loop this time as we've reached that point. So just feed it through there, and then take the lace end through the little loop on this side. Making sure it all looks nice and smooth. Then we're going to swap to the other one and do the same. Bring it through the little tongue loop to secure it in place. And then we're going to bring the lace end through this little loop over here, making sure there's no twists. I keep saying it because I have to keep reminding myself. And then keep a hold of this lace, and now we're back to eyelets. We're going to bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet from underneath. Swap to the other lace, bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet from underneath on this side. Looking good. And remember, no rush. Take your time to get your laces looking nice. Then keep a hold of this lace, and we're going to take it through the final eyelet from underneath. And the exact same with the other one. Bring it over and through the final eyelet from underneath. Pull that through. That's looking really good. And then you just go ahead and bow your laces as normal when they're on your feet. Repeat on your other shoe and you'll have an awesome pair of standard lace New Balance 740s. If you found the info in this helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks a lot.